Look at you. You look like a pig.
I'm working on an engine.
So they don't let you shower?
Look, they told me you were here, so I came, all right?
You're behaving yourself.
Well, not strapping me down anymore.
Well, don't abuse that privilege.
So how come you're visiting me?
What do you mean? I don't need a reason to visit.
How come you never visited before?
I did visit you. You were unconscious.
It doesn't count as a visit. How
Look,
can that be a visit if I didn't even know you were here, Mom?
All I can do is make the effort.
À l'origine du film, il y a une pièce et Robert De Niro. C'est lui qui est le producteur. Il m'a fait venir à New York il y a maintenant 9 ans pour assister à une représentation off-Broadway de Simple Secret qu'il voulait déjà adapter au cinéma. Je suis tombé sous le charme de cette histoire peu commune, écrite par un jeune auteur, Scott McPherson, qui depuis est mort du sida à l'âge de 31 ans. Il avait une façon unique d'appréhender la vie et d'en estimer le prix. Et sa pièce était terrible, tout en étant drôle.
Your Aunt Bessie down in Florida has leukemia. She's not doing so well. It's a possibility she might die.
I didn't know I had an Aunt Bessie.
She's been to the house.
When?
Right after your dad and I got married.
Mom, I wasn't born yet.
Look, I know I mentioned her to you. She's my sister.
Well, I didn't know you had a sister.
You know how every goddamn Christmas I say to you, looks like Bessie didn't send a card again this year either.
Oh, yeah.
That's your Aunt Bessie, my sister. And because we're her nearest relatives, they want to get us tested, because maybe they could save her life and do a bone marrow transplant. It's only for a week. Doctor says it's okay to go.
Well, why would I want to go?
Because one of us might save her life.
Je venais de jouer dans Les Routes de Madison un personnage qui réfrénait ses émotions et ses sentiments. J'avais déjà tenu des rôles similaires, de femmes soumises et respectueuses de ses devoirs. Et je voulais essayer autre chose, devenir quelqu'un d'égoïste qui n'hésite pas à exprimer sa colère. Et cela m'a permis d'exorciser quelques démons. Je considère mon travail comme une espèce de thérapie.
Put back the chip.
Lee, I put them out there for the kids.
You have to understand, he has to wait to be asked.
Hank, would you like a chip?
No, thank you, Aunt Bessie, not right now.
Your aunt offered you a chip. Now, the polite thing to do would be to take one.
You know what? I don't want a chip right now.
Eat the chip or no Disney World.
You know what? I could give a fuck about Disney World, all right?
Out, 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 out! I don't care where, so I can't see you.
C'était génial, durant quelques jours. Mais je me suis très vite rendu compte qu'il m'était très difficile de susciter cette colère et de l'entretenir sur la durée. Cela nécessite un travail constant. Et je sais maintenant ce que c'est que d'être Harvey Keitel ou quelqu'un dans ce genre.
Then we both made the right decision.
What decision? Dad got sick and I came down to help out for a little while. You didn't. I had plans. I had a husband. I couldn't come down. You didn't come down. And what makes you think for a second that I didn't have plans? You know, you're just the most... Come on, say it. Say it, say it. You've been saying it a million different ways since I first came down here.
Leave her alone. What are you yelling at her for?
She wants to tell you what a terrible person I am. I have been over backwards to be nice to you from the moment you walked in that door.
That's right. You are nice to me when you want something.
What are you talking about?
Come on, Hank, you think your Aunt Bessie's being nice to you?
You all of a sudden because she, what, felt an urge?
Leonardo a un talent incroyable. Il sort incontestablement du lot parmi la jeune génération. Ce qui me touche chez lui, et qui fait partie intégrante de son talent, c'est la liberté dont il fait preuve. Il reste indifférent à ce que l'on peut dire de lui ou ce à quoi il peut bien ressembler. Et si jamais il change de ce point de vue-là, je débarquerai chez lui, je le secouerai et je lui dirai ma façon de penser, comme une mère le ferait.
Going into the kitchen. Nobody's had any lunch yet, have they?
Hey.
What?
Nothing.
But just, if if you decide to take a ride or something, just, you ought to let me know. I worry about you.